What if I told you that there's a simple drink sitting in your kitchen right now that could boost your immune system by 300% in just 5 days, and the medical industry doesn't want you to know about it because it would cost them billions? I'm about to reveal an ancient secret that's been hiding in plain sight for over 4,000 years. This isn't some expensive supplement or complicated treatment. It's a golden elixir that costs less than $3 to make and has been scientifically proven to increase your body's natural defense mechanisms faster than any synthetic immune booster on the market. By the end of this video, you'll have the exact recipe that transformed a 52-year-old grandmother from getting sick every month to having the immune system of someone half her age. But before we dive into this life-changing information, if you're serious about taking control of your health naturally, hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell right now, because what I'm about to share could literally save your life. Let me tell you about Maria. She came to me last year completely desperate. This woman was a powerhouse in her community, running a successful business, taking care of her grandchildren, but every few weeks she'd get knocked down by another cold, another flu, another infection. Her doctor kept prescribing antibiotics, but they were destroying her gut health and making everything worse. She was spending hundreds of dollars on immune supplements that promised the world but delivered nothing. I looked at Maria and said, "What if I told you that everything you need is probably already in your kitchen cabinet?" She laughed at me. She thought I was crazy, but I gave her this exact recipe I'm about to share with you, and I told her to try it for just 7 days. 7 days later, she called me crying. Not from sadness, but from pure joy. Her energy levels had skyrocketed. The brain fog that had been plaguing her for months was completely gone, and for the first time in over 2 years, she woke up feeling truly alive. That was 8 months ago, and Maria hasn't been sick once since then. Her last blood test showed white blood cell counts that amazed her doctor. Her inflammation markers dropped to levels he'd never seen in someone her age. But here's the most incredible part. This transformation didn't happen because of some miracle drug. It happened because of 5 simple ingredients that have been used together for thousands of years. The star of this ancient recipe is turmeric, but not in the way most people think. You see, turmeric contains a powerful compound called curcumin, which is like having a personal army of immune-boosting warriors flooding through your bloodstream. Studies have shown that curcumin can increase the activity of your natural killer cells by up to 400%. These are the cells that literally hunt down and destroy viruses, bacteria, and even cancer cells before they can harm you. But here's where most people fail completely. They buy turmeric pills or powder, take them religiously, and wonder why nothing changes. The secret isn't just turmeric. It's what you combine it with. Your body can only absorb about 3% of curcumin when you take it alone. It's like trying to fill a swimming pool with a teaspoon. But the ancient Ayurvedic masters discovered something incredible over 4,000 years ago that modern science has only recently proven. When you combine turmeric with just a tiny pinch of black pepper, something magical happens. The piperine in black pepper increases curcumin absorption by 2,000%. That's not a typo. 2,000%. Suddenly, instead of getting 3% absorption, you're getting nearly 100% bioavailability. Your cells are flooded with these immune-boosting compounds, and your body's natural healing mechanisms kick into overdrive. But we're not stopping there, because this recipe gets even more powerful. The second ingredient is fresh ginger. And here's why this addition is pure genius. Ginger contains compounds called gingerols that activate your T helper cells. Think of these as the generals of your immune system army. They coordinate attacks against invaders and remember how to fight them in the future. Clinical studies have shown that people who consume ginger regularly have 43% fewer sick days than those who don't. The third ingredient might surprise you. Raw honey. Not the processed stuff you find in most grocery stores, but real, unfiltered raw honey that's thick and cloudy. This isn't just for taste. Raw honey contains hydrogen peroxide, methyl glyoxal, and dozens of other compounds that act as natural antibiotics. But unlike synthetic antibiotics that destroy everything in their path, including your good bacteria, honey specifically targets harmful pathogens while actually feeding and strengthening your beneficial gut bacteria. And here's something most people don't realize. 80% of your immune system lives in your gut. When you heal your gut, you heal your entire immune response. That's why this recipe is so incredibly effective. It's not just boosting one aspect of your immunity, it's creating a complete transformation from the inside out. Now I'm about to reveal the fourth ingredient, and this one alone has been shown to increase antioxidant production by 300% in just 48 hours. But first, if this information is blowing your mind, show me some love by hitting that like button. It really helps get this life-saving information to more people who desperately need it. The fourth ingredient is fresh lemon juice. Half a lemon squeezed into your mixture. Now, most people think lemon is just vitamin C, but there's something far more powerful happening here. When lemon enters your body, it becomes highly alkaline. Viruses, bacteria, and harmful microorganisms thrive in acidic environments, but they literally cannot survive in an alkaline environment. The lemon juice creates a hostile environment for pathogens while supercharging your vitamin C absorption by over 400%. The fifth and final ingredient ties everything together beautifully: Ceylon cinnamon. Just a small pinch, but this isn't regular cinnamon. Ceylon cinnamon contains compounds that regulate blood sugar, reduce inflammation, and enhance the absorption of all the other ingredients. It's like adding rocket fuel to an already powerful engine. Here's the exact recipe that changed Maria's life and can change yours too. Start with 1 teaspoon of high-quality organic turmeric powder. Add just a pinch of freshly ground black pepper. Include 1 teaspoon of fresh ginger juice. If you don't have fresh ginger, half a teaspoon of ginger powder will work, but fresh is always more potent. Add 1 tablespoon of raw, unprocessed honey. Squeeze in the juice of half a fresh lemon. Finally, add that small pinch of Ceylon cinnamon. Mix all of this in 8 ounces of warm water, not hot because heat destroys the beneficial enzymes in honey. Stir it well until everything is dissolved, and drink it first thing in the morning on an empty stomach. This timing is crucial because your stomach acid is strongest in the morning, which helps break down and absorb these nutrients optimally. But here's where most people make their biggest mistake, and it's the difference between seeing incredible results and seeing nothing at all. They drink it once or twice and expect miracles. Your immune system didn't get compromised overnight, and it won't rebuild overnight either. For the first 7 days, you need to drink this mixture twice daily, once in the morning on an empty stomach, and once in the evening at least 2 hours after dinner. I'm about to share the 3 biggest mistakes that will completely sabotage your results, plus the exact signs that tell you it's working. But first, let me ask you, are you going to be one of those people who watches this video, feels inspired for 5 minutes, then does nothing? Or are you going to take action on information that could transform your health forever? The first mistake is using cheap, low-quality ingredients. If your turmeric doesn't stain your fingers bright yellow, it's not potent enough. The second mistake is drinking it with food. When you eat, your stomach acid gets diluted, and these nutrients need that strong acidic environment for proper absorption. The third mistake is giving up too soon. Most people start feeling more energetic within 48 hours, but the real magic happens after 7 days of consistency. Your sleep improves first. You'll wake up feeling actually rested instead of groggy. Your skin will start glowing from the inside out as antioxidants flood your system. Your digestion improves, and those afternoon energy crashes disappear completely. Here's a pro tip that will double your results. After you drink your golden immunity elixir, spend just 30 seconds doing deep breathing exercises. Breathe in for 4 counts, hold for 4 counts, breathe out for 6 counts. This activates your parasympathetic nervous system, which is responsible for healing and recovery, helping your body absorb and utilize these nutrients more effectively. Now, some people worry about side effects. This recipe is incredibly gentle, but if you're taking blood-thinning medications, consult your healthcare provider first, because turmeric can enhance their effects. If you have gallstones, start with half the dose because turmeric stimulates bile production. Some people experience mild digestive changes in the first few days. This is actually a good sign. It means your gut is detoxifying and rebalancing. Just reduce the dose by half and gradually increase as your body adapts. So let me ask you this. What's your health worth to you? This recipe costs less than $5 to make and will last you a month. Compare that to what you spend on supplements that don't work or sick days that steal your life away, and the choice becomes obvious. Here's what I need you to do right now. Take a screenshot of this recipe, go to your kitchen, and make your first batch today. Don't wait until you feel a cold coming on. Don't wait until tomorrow. Your future self will thank you for taking action right now. If this video has opened your eyes to the power of natural healing, I need 3 things from you. Hit that like button to help more people discover this information, subscribe, and ring that notification bell so you never miss my health secrets, and comment below telling me, will you commit to trying this recipe for 7 days? Remember, you have the power to take control of your health naturally. You don't have to be a victim of every cold and flu that comes around. With this golden immunity elixir, you're not just preventing illness, you're building a foundation for vibrant health that will serve you for decades to come. Your journey to bulletproof immunity starts with that first sip. Make it count. See you on the next video. Bye.